vertical locking to prevent flippage, side-to-side locking, telescoping handle, extremely soft and water absorbent microfiber, similar to the Zero Cuff Mitt. Not just for use inside of your shop or garage. Textured floor or concrete, no problem. Just lock it into place. When you're done, wring them out, use microfiber detergent, and just wash them. You can see how awesome of a job the Zen Mop did cleaning up our shop floor, and you can understand why we are replacing our mop, our broom, and our squeegee with one item, the Zen Mop, saving space in our shop and making a great impression on our clients.